Greetings everyone from Brisbane, Australia, and congratulations again to Unfold Consulting and Pooja Kohli for organising this wonderful event. So I'm Dr. Arena Yashin-Shaw, founder and CEO of the Global Intrapreneurs Institute and creator of the world's first professional certificate of intrapreneurialism. And we are so proud and excited about collaborating with Unfold in bringing this program to India. So the good news is that intrapreneurship can be taught. It's not one of those skills that you're either born with or you're not. You can learn to be an intrapreneur, and that is exactly what the Professional Certificate of Intrapreneurialism does. It teaches people the skills and methodology of successful intrapreneurialism. So the program takes a structured approach to development through experiential learning and incremental skill building. The first part of the program focuses on laying really firm foundations. So participants systematically learn and practice the 12 key skills of successful intrapreneurs. And the second part of the program takes participants through the intrapreneurial methodology where they progress and deliver an intrapreneurial initiative. So let's take a closer look at the skills and the methodology. So the 12 intrapreneurial skills fall into three macro categories of firstly, personal leadership, which is the ability to bring out the best in oneself. Secondly, cognitive flexibility, which is the capacity to transcend rigid mental models, to engage in multidisciplinary thinking, to cross boundaries, and to adapt quickly and easily in response to emerging or changing demands of a situation. And thirdly, future readiness, which is the confidence to deal effectively with the potential disruptions of an exponentially changing world. Now, each category further contains a number of specific skills which are developed throughout the program. And these are a growth orientation, being prepared to try new things, influence, to enlist cooperation from others, collaboration, to pool skills, expertise, and resources, determination, to persist in the face of frustrations and barriers, and action taking, recognizing that simply having a great idea does not create value unless it's effectively executed and implemented. Then in the cognitive flexibility category, we look at creative thinking and curiosity to use our imagination to envision a different and better future, resourceful problem solving, finding clever and efficient ways of overcoming challenges using limited resources, change and learning agility to anticipate and adapt quickly to shifting circumstances. Then in the future readiness category, we learn how to be an iconoclast. Iconoclasm is the art of challenging the status quo, asking the difficult but really important and critical questions. Opportunity finding, seeing the possibility to change something for the better. Calculated risk taking, being prepared to experiment and try new things. And trend spotting, being able to look ahead of the curve. So all of these skills are developed in the program. And when you look at that suite of skills, you'll agree, I'm sure, that that's a powerful professional skill set that could turbocharge someone's career and leadership trajectory. Then we also learn the intrapreneurial methodology, which is a 3-stage, 9-step process. It recognizes that there are 3 elements of intrapreneurial behavior, which are listed on the left of that table, being mechanics, polemics, and dynamics. So first of all, polemics, we'll look at that first. That refers to the impetus to change by challenging the status quo. Secondly, mechanics refers to the steps to change that drive intrapreneurial performance. And thirdly, dynamics refers to the diffusion of change, being that myriad of interactions that enlist the input of others. Then the 3 stages identify the practices that are learnt systematically during the journey, which you see across the top of the table. So the first stage lays the foundations of intrapreneurial behavior through questioning and seeking better ways of doing things. The second stage incrementally builds confidence in leading and implementing innovation by achieving small wins through good problem solving. And the third stage takes that confidence and that experience and expertise and scales up activity for wider impact. So the program systematically integrates entrepreneurial behaviors and entrepreneurial practices for long-term application. Organizations are using the program in a number of ways. Firstly, for general skill building across the organization, and this is in order to build a critical mass of highly skilled entrepreneurs who can drive change and transformation. Secondly, it can be used for leadership development and graduate onboarding because it's an excellent complement or extension to existing leadership programs within the organization. And thirdly, as a precursor to in-house incubators and accelerators. And that's because by the end of the program, some of the project outcomes that participants deliver will be suitable and ready for progressing to scale up. And fourthly, as a way of attracting and retaining top talent by demonstrating a commitment to upskilling people to become intrapreneurs. Also, individuals can use the program in a number of ways, such as a proof of their entrepreneurial skills with a highly relevant micro-credential and a formal certificate. They can use it to build confidence in leading entrepreneurial initiatives, to demonstrate a track record of entrepreneurial activity, to establish a professional profile and a brand as a professional intrapreneur, and to turbocharge your career by becoming an in-demand employee in a talent-hungry world. So here are what two of our recent graduates had to say about the program. Firstly, Wessel Broekhuis from Australia. He said, the program content is comprehensive and current and is presented in a succinct and engaging format. It will greatly benefit people who want to make a difference in their chosen field and is an excellent foundation for career development. And then Roland Wunderlich from Lufthansa Technik in Germany, he said, this is the ideal program for organizations that have a focus on empowering employees to drive change, think outside the box, and create value. Employees at all levels will greatly benefit from this program. So we're looking forward to launching the Professional Certificate of Intrapreneurialism in India. Contact Unfold Consulting for more information and to book a cohort. And please do reach out if you've got any questions. Happy intrapreneuring.